Hello, good evening everyone. I'm going to share with you tonight my newly arrived sweetheart. This is my nail drill. I just received it recently and now we're going to unbox it. It says here it is a portable charging nail drill. Standby time is long, easy to carry. You can put actually in your pocket, and it is also a high speed. It doesn't produce hit or hurt your client's nail plate. Okay, and it's smooth to use. Actually, I have three of this here with me. I have three of this here with me. So this is how I like this brand. Okay. And unfortunately, we cannot find it in Kuwait, so we have to order it from the States. Funny though, because it's made in China. Okay. So now, here's our box. We have our power charger. Okay, and the nail drill itself. Yay, I have three drills now. And you have it has our nail drill, our pen holder. Okay, and this is the pen protector. Now, all we have to do is find out where's our pen. So, this is Makartt brand and it's 30,000 RPM and it's rechargeable. Okay? There are a lot of brands for nail drills, but I like this. I love using this. It makes my life easier as a nail technician, as a trainer. It's easier for me to use the nail drill. Now, how are we gonna open this pen without breaking a nail? Alright, there we go. Here it is. We have our pen here. So, as every nail drill, it includes the pen here. Alright, so guys, do not remove this pin. If you remove this, you have to change it with a drill bit. Do not keep this pen without anything inside. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to introduce you with the different drill bits, because this is the problem of most beginners, nail technicians that are beginners. Okay, so we will discuss each drill bit. I have here, this is my complete set of drill bits. Okay, I'm not saying you need this all, but it is very important for you to have all your tools when you do nails. All right. I have here the diamond drill bits, and I also have my ceramic drill bits, which are my favorites. Okay. I love these three. I could do nails with these three bits. This is the tiny one that I used under the nail. Okay, and this is what I use to remove gel polish or to remove products along the lateral walls of the nail. To remove acrylic, I always use my coarse grit drill bit. Okay, I like to use this because this is a safety bit. You are sure that you're not going to hurt your client with this. Now, talking about drill bits, this is a drill bit that is used usually to remove the smile line or to maintain the French nails. Okay, I'm talking about acrylic, I'm talking about all kinds of nail enhancements. You have also to use this along the lateral wall. It's also safe, but if you're a beginner, I don't suggest for you to use this. You need to learn some more, okay? Because this has a very sharp edge, and you can make an accident and cut your client's skin. So we don't want that to happen, right? Now, with other bits, okay, we have here for our cuticle line, okay, use it along the cuticle line. And we have also this one. It looks like, where is the camera? There. It looks like a ball, a small ball at the top, right? And this is my favorite when doing cuticle works. Okay, we have here our 180 grits. Okay, we have also our nail shiner. Okay, this is to shine the nail surface. So there are a lot of drill bits that you can use. This is just simply a brush, okay? And last but not the least, well, I can say last but not the least because I have not explained everything, yeah? This is a nail technician's favorite, okay? This is our arbor band. You can use this to remove gel polishes or to remove the shine of the nail surface. So this is disposable. After using once to a client, throw it away, please. Replace it with a new arbor band every client, okay? Now, we have things for pedicures as well, okay? We have these diamond bits here, okay, that we can use around the toes, the cuticle lines of the toes. And this is my favorite for filing calluses, okay, on the toes. I like this. For a nail technician, if you're a beginner, all you need to have are these three kinds, okay? Only this. 1, 2, and 3. And all these bits, most of them are made in China, made in Korea, US, and Germany. The Germany brand is a little bit expensive, okay? That's why most nail technicians just buy this, okay? Now, here in Kuwait, we can purchase good drill bits like this, but I think it's a little bit expensive. It's a little bit pricey. So we tend to turn into our ceramic bits. Ceramic bits is ranging from probably 10 kd and above. I'm not so sure. It depends on the store where you go to or you order to. Since these are very difficult to bring in the country. So, now, we have our drill bits here. Now, rotation per minute. I will explain to you the rotation per minute on the next video. Thanks for watching.